Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine, right? So today we are going to start our second lesson and the name of the lesson is Mother's Love. Okay? And the story we are going to learn is taken from the Bible. Now what is Bible? Bible is the holy book of the Christians. So let us read the story and discover what's the content of the story. So, years back, once upon a time, there was a wise king whose name was Solomon. Okay, so he was the king of Israel. Now, whenever any person had any problem, they used to come to the king for the solution, and the king used to solve their problem. So, once two women had a problem, okay, and they wanted a solution for it. So they came to the king, and the first woman said, "O king, I want justice. This lady came to my house last night and kept her dead baby on my bed and took away my baby." Then second woman cried out. She cried out, and what she said, "O king, why should I take her baby? मैं क्यों उसके बच्चे को लूँगी?" Now both of them, both the women went on arguing. Okay. Now king was angry and disturbed, and what he said, he told the guard to get a sword, okay, and cut the child into two pieces and give half of it to each of them. Now when the king said this, when the king told the guard to bring the sword and cut the child into two pieces, the second woman shouted. She started crying and told, "O king, I don't want that child. Let that child be with that woman. I don't want. But please keep that child alive. Don't cut my child into pieces." Now the king was very wise, and now he could find out who was the real mother of the child. Then the king told the guard to give the child to the woman who was crying. How he could find out that? Because he knew that this was the child's real mother, because she was screaming, she was crying, whereas the other woman was not crying, she was happy and she wanted the child to be cut into two pieces. Okay, now the king found out the truth. Okay, and a smile came into his lips, and he was happy, and all the people, those who were in the court or the palace of the king, watched the two, the mother and her little baby, silently. Okay, so this is what the story of this lesson. Okay, so did you enjoy the story? Yes, I hope you must have enjoyed, isn't it? So now let us move on to the exercise portion. Okay, so now let us start with section A, say yes or no. Here sentences are given, whichever is appropriate you have to say yes, otherwise no. Okay, and you have to fill the box there. Okay, now your first sentence is, this story is from the Bible. Yes or no, this story is from the Bible or not? Yes, this story is from the Bible, therefore you have to write there yes. Okay, and second is, two women sang a song in front of King Solomon. What did those two women do in front of the King Solomon? Did they sing song? No, they did not sing song. So what you have to write? No. Okay. Now move on to third. Third one is, King Solomon was a wise man. He was a wise man, isn't it? Yeah, so you have to write yes. Then fourth, King Solomon asked for an arrow. It is sword the King Solomon asked, not the arrow. So the answer will be no. Then fifth, the people watched the mother and child silently. So it is true. Therefore you have to write there yes. Okay. Now move on to Answer in full sentences. Okay. So question is, what did the two women want King Solomon to do? So what you have to write? The two women wanted King Solomon to solve problem. Okay. So you have to see clearly, carefully and fill the blanks with the answers I have written down. Okay. Now second one is, what did King Solomon tell the God? Now here you have to write, already the king is there and the half of the answer is in your question. ऐसे question में ही half answers हैं. Okay. So you have to write, the King Solomon told the God to get a sword. Okay. Now move on to second. Do not kill my precious child. Who said this? किसने बोला मेरे बच्चा को मत मारो बोल के? The mother of the child. ओके, बच्चा की मामी ने बोला. ओके. Now move on to fourth. Give each of the mothers half a child. Who said this? The king. Okay, and who is he talking to? The God. The king is talking to the God. Okay. Now move on to section C. Take the most appropriate phrase and complete the sentences right on the line below. Okay. So here few phrases are given. You have to take the correct one. A cruel king. The King Solomon was what? Was he cruel? No. Was he funny? No. He was an intelligent king. He was very intelligent king. So you have to tick here. And now you have to write the full sentence. First you have to write, King Solomon was. King is already written here. You have to write only Solomon was an intelligent king. Okay. Now let us move on to grammar part. Okay. So here complete this table by filling the male or the female name as required. Okay. So here some nouns are given. You have to write either female or male form as required. Okay. So what is the female name for father? Father, mother. Okay. And the feminine of bull, cow. And lion, lioness. Madam, sir. Okay. And grandfather, grandmother. Tigress, tiger. Brother, sister. Actress, actor. Okay. So this we completed, and B, you leave it. It is not so important for you. When you come to the school, I will explain to you clearly, and then you will write them down in your notebook. Okay. So you have to just cross it. Okay. You have to cross it. Now let us move on to words. Match the words with the pictures. Okay. So here above are given some pictures and below are the names. Okay. So you have to match the names with the pictures. Okay. So what is this? This is sword. Okay. So here it is written sword, therefore you have to match the word with its the name of the picture. Now second one is bow. So which one is bow? This is your bow, therefore you have to match it with the bow. Now next one is arrow. Now which one is arrow? This is arrow. So you have to draw a line and match with the picture. Now move on to second, spear. Which is your spear? This is your spear. Therefore you have to draw a line to spear. Next is mace. What is mace? This is what is called mace. So you have to draw a line from here and match the word with the picture. Okay. Now last one is shield. Now what is shield? It's right above the word here. So you have to match the word or the name with the picture. Okay, so with this we complete our second lesson. Children, please look at the exercise done clearly and do them in your textbook. Okay, and not only that, you have to study and learn them as well. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.